The art of uploading a video to YouTube actually goes beyond you just clicking on the upload button. It means that there are additional things that you have to pay much attention to if you want to upload a video on YouTube. Now, the mistake that most of us do is that we just get to the YouTube platform or our YouTube studio and just click on the upload button to just release a video onto the YouTube platform. We just input any title at all, give it a description at all, create a random thumbnail, and then just leave it to the YouTube algorithm to actually determine who actually get to view the video that we've uploaded. Meanwhile, as part of the content creation journey, what you want to do is that you want to make sure that you upload a video that gets to the right audience, so that they'll get a chance, or they'll stand a chance of clicking on the video to watch it, which will give you views and translate into watch hours, and later on bring about revenue generation. That is if you are monetized. Now, as part of my experience being on this YouTube, what I've realized is that if you have a laptop, then that is always best as compared to your mobile phone. If you are rather uploading YouTube shorts, then your mobile phone is going to do you a great job, because most people tend to view YouTube shorts on their phones than laptops. So in this particular video, I'm going to use my laptop to take you through the step-by-step process that you want to go through to upload a video to YouTube, to make sure that the video gets to the right audience. You want to make sure that the video gets into the newsfeed of the people who you actually made the video for. For instance, if you're making a vlogging video, you're making a video about maybe finance, you want the video to get to those particular audience. So you want your video about vlog to get to people who are interested in vlog. The same way, if you're making a video about finance, you want to make the video get to people who are interested in searching about how to make money online, right? If you're making videos about cars, you want the video to get to people who have the purchasing power to afford vehicles. Also, if you're making video about entertainment, you want the video to get to people on the internet space to look for entertainment. All these things are partly in your control. Of course, YouTube is being controlled by an algorithm which determines who gets to view a particular video uploaded onto the platform. But the most important thing is that YouTube uses what we call metadata, and metadata is a basic term for your titles, your thumbnails, your tags. YouTube does not really have an idea about what you upload onto the platform. YouTube does not necessarily know what your video is about until the information you give to YouTube about your video. That is what the YouTube algorithm is going to base on it to recommend your video to the right people or to the wrong people. For instance, imagine you make a video about how to make money online and you title it in terms of entertainment. It means YouTube is going to assume the video is for people within the entertainment genre, and so will push your how to make money online or your finance video to people interested in entertainment. And as a matter of fact, because those people are people that are interested in entertainment and are not really interested in finance, when your video gets to them, they are not going to watch the video, and this will lead to low retention or low viewer retention on the video. So if your video gets into the newsfeed of the wrong people and they are not watching these videos for long, it means that the algorithm is going to stop showing your videos to more people and your video gets sacked. So the first thing I'm going to do is to get into your web browser, right? It can be Opera Mini, it can be Chrome. I love to use the Google Chrome because it's more simple to use. Type studio.youtube.com. right? Okay, so when it loads, this is actually one of my YouTube channels, right? Now what you're going to do here is to click on the create button, because when you click on the create button, it gives you the chance to select options. So if you want to upload normal videos, you use the first one. If you want to go live, that's where you actually click. And then if you want to create a normal post on YouTube as well, you can also do the same thing. Now if I click on upload videos, this is the interface that I actually see. I can either choose to click on select files, which will take me to my files to upload the video directly onto YouTube, or I can go to where my files are and then pull the video directly onto the drag and drop menu for it to be uploaded directly onto YouTube. So this is what I actually see right now. You can see that automatically, because of the name I gave to the YouTube video, I'm seeing how to monetize your channel. So what that means is that you have to give a good name before you even upload it. Don't just leave the video to be having a default name before you upload it. Alright, to be able to do this, I'm going to head towards Vidiq, right? So I'll open a new browser and then type in Vidiq, right? And this will take me to the Vidiq website. So I'll click on Vidiq, and this is how the interface of Vidiq actually looks like. Because I have linked my YouTube channel to Vidiq, if you have not linked your YouTube channel to Vidiq, don't worry, you can have the chance to log in to connect your YouTube channel to Vidiq. Because I'm creating a video here with the name how to monetize your channel. The moment I open Vidiq, Vidiq is giving me the option to optimize the video here. When I click on optimize, what happens is that Vidiq is going to give me alternative. This is the video or the name I give to the video, but inside Vidiq is giving me alternatives to the video title I'm giving to the video. So you have titles like why YouTube monetization is changing forever, how I make $100,000 a month from YouTube, then how I monetize my YouTube channel, and how you can too. And these are killer things that people are actually searching for on the internet. Vidiq is helping to redefine the title for me, and that is making my work more easier. I'm going to click on this, and then automatically how I monetize my YouTube channel and how you can. If you don't like the title, you can click on regenerate, and then you can be able to generate. Copy the title and then come to my YouTube channel analytics, clean this one, and then put this one here. Right, so this will be my new YouTube title. Now, how do I get the description? AI can help you to do this thing in a more simpler way, right? So you can choose any AI tool at all. You can use ChatGPT, but I'm going to use Copilot. So I can come to Copilot, give a command to Copilot for it to help me to get the description that I want to get. So instead of Copilot is actually going to give me a well-crafted description for my YouTube video. So I'm going to go ahead and then copy this one. So when I'm done copying, then I'll come back to where the description box is, then I'll paste this one here. Now it says, want to turn your passion into profit? In this video, we break down the right way to monetize your YouTube channel without shady tricks or shortcuts. Whether you are just starting out or looking to maximize your revenue, we get you covered with strategies that actually work. One secret I'm going to give to you is that for you to increase the way YouTube will show your video to more people, you have to do what we call search engine optimization. Basically, you have to optimize the title and the description for search, so that when people search for your video, they get a chance to come and copy your title again. Then when you copy your title, make sure that you find a way to put the title of your video in either the first or the second line, maximum the third line of your description. So you see, want to turn your passion into profit? In this video I paste the title of the video. So you see, I have found a way to be able to put my title into my description box, and this is so crazy, and this is going to make sure that the keywords within your title are the same keywords within your description, and then YouTube will, based on that, recommend your videos to more people. So now let's move on with it. We get to the thumbnail. Upon request, you can make me know in the comment section if you are interested in me making a video about how I'm able to make amazing thumbnails for my YouTube videos. And I mean, these are killer thumbnails, right? So if you're interested in something like that, then let me know in the comment section, right? Drop a comment in the comment box, and I'll be willing to make a video to teach you how I make thumbnails from scratch. Playlist is one of the key things that most people overlook when uploading a YouTube video, but it's very important, right? What does playlist do? Playlist actually gives you a chance to put your videos into different categories. For instance, you may have a finance channel, and then you can have another playlist for maybe cryptocurrency, among other things, right? So basically, playlists help you to put your videos into different categories. It is very necessary in the sense that when a person clicks on a playlist, or when people come to your YouTube channel, they are coming to look for specific type of video. So let's say making money online. When they enter your channel to watch the first video about making money online, since that particular video is in a playlist, YouTube is actually going to recommend to that particular person all the other videos that are in the same playlist. And what happens is that the person continually watch multiple videos from your channel. So the person watch the first video, second video, third video, fourth video until they actually get the information that they're actually looking for on your channel. If you don't have the name of the playlist here, you can click on new playlist, and you can still get a chance to create a new playlist as well. This video is set to not made for kids, right? This particular place is very important. This means that you want to determine whether YouTube should show your video to older people or younger people. Now, if you choose yes, it's made for kids, what that literally means is that YouTube is going to show your video to kids, and that's not what you want, in the sense that kids do not have high purchasing power, and this is very important if your video has sensitive information that children might not see. If you don't want to go through the hassles and bustles of choosing this particular button every time you're uploading a new video, then check in the description box for the video that I've made that gives you the chance to make a couple of settings that places this one at automatic mode. What that means, that anytime you upload video, you can upload like 10-20 videos, and it will automatically be set to know it's not made for kids. This one is age restriction, right? You don't want YouTube to restrict your video, so instead of taking the first one, make sure you take the second one. Some content creators engage in brand deals and co. Now, because you don't want that particular ads to disturb ads from YouTube itself, you are going to pay much attention to this. So it says, if you accepted anything of value from a third party to make your video, you must let us know. We will show viewers a message that tells them your video contains paid ads, right? Now it says, do any of the following describe your content? Makes a real person appear to say or do something they didn't say or do. Alters footage of a real event or place. Generate a realistic looking scene that didn't actually occur. Now you're going to also click no, right? If you click yes, it means that maybe you used AI in making the video, and I'm sure most of the videos that we make are human based video, they are not AI generated. So you're going to click no. And now you can allow automatic chapters if your video is basically about educational content. That is a video where maybe you are telling people how to do something or teaching people how to do something, then it will make sense for you to allow automatic chapters. But more often than not, you have to disallow automatic chapters if you are into, let's say, entertainment, comedy and co. You don't want to give the people the chance to skip between. You want them to watch from beginning to the end. But for educational content, if you allow chapters, people can be able to know different aspects of that particular thing that you are actually teaching them. So that one is a bit different. Then you come to tags. You can use a third-party website that we call Rapid Tags. So this is a web page of Rapid Tags. So you are going to come here, copy the name of your YouTube video, and then paste it here, and it will generate a whole lot of tags, relevant tags for you to add to your YouTube videos. So when you scroll, you will see all the tags that you got from Rapid Tags. Optimizing score. So we've been able to optimize the video 80/100. Now we come to the category. According to experts, it is much more important to make sure that all your videos are in one particular category. Now I've turned on my comments. You want to get feedback from people. Show how many viewers like this video. So I'm going to put this particular video on. If your YouTube channel is a new channel and the channel is not monetized, you will not get access to this monetization feature. It will not be there. So after next, you come to add suitability. Again, if your YouTube channel is not monetized, this feature will not be relevant for you. But if your YouTube channel is monetized, then you want to pay attention. You can reach a broader audience by adding subtitles to your video. Add an end screen. Now you can also have the chance to add cards to videos that appear above a particular video when you're watching a video. But for cards, you can add more than one card. So if you have any copyright problem, then it will be fine here so that you can go back and edit, make a couple of changes before you finally upload the video. Finally, you can click on next to come to visibility. You want to give YouTube time to process your video, like maybe unlisted, then I can click on save.